And we will understand why they have to follow standards, right? If I'm an accountant and I'm, again, identifying how to record the asset, can I not just make my best professional judgment in recording and how many depreciating it, how many years I want? Can I not do that? What is your answer? If you say yes or no. If I'm an accountant, guys, or put yourself as an accountant, right? The business purchase an asset. Let's say, for example, right, a machine. Now, as an accountant, you saw the receipt, proof of purchase. Now you're in a position where I will record this. Let's say this is 100,000, and then maybe I will depreciate it 5 years because based on how I look at the machine, maybe this would last 5 years. Can I just do that?
No,
Why not, Christina?
because it's something.
Right. So Christina is saying every asset has a lifespan. So if there's a lifespan of 5 years, and I say I agree with that, it's 5 years, can I just simply say, oh, this is 5 years because this is the lifespan? That's a follow-up question. Casey, you raise your hand. Go ahead.
You can just depreciate it within 5 years because there's a thing that we called GAAP. There's a standardized accounting rules that we need to follow.
Great. Thank you for sharing your answer, Casey. And we'll take another answer from Rowena.
Also, the company sets a standard for, let's say, depends on the size of the company. So at times they make it an expense and one time, what do you call that?
Outright expense.
Yes. So times it depends on the size of the company.
Great. I love that answer, Rowena.
That's the sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page, follow our Facebook page, join our Facebook community, connect through Telegram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless Accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.